Hi, this is Jim Sackman in another of our Success Friday videos, and we're continuing our series on inorganic growth. And this time I want to talk about debt. And I've talked about the SBA loan in the past. And when I talk to business owners, one of the challenges that I've got with them is that they are very adverse to debt. And most of them think about it in terms of the way they think about personal debt, and I mostly think of it as a lost opportunity. Now, in general, business debt and personal debt work differently, and I want to explain that so that you understand what I mean. So, personal debt is used to buy things sooner than we were able to afford, and you pay extra money for that to happen. So, you put something down on a credit card and then you have it immediately. There are some situations like home ownership with a home mortgage where it's effectively the only way you can do it. And in some cases like that, home mortgages in particular are often a very good financial investment. Most of the other times you're simply paying a lot of money to have something sooner. And if you could wait, you could actually have what you wanted much cheaper. Now, with businesses, your goal is to invest that money to make more money. So, whether that's opening a new location, buying more efficient manufacturing, or hiring a new salesperson, that business debt is used to make more money. Now, let me give you an example. I had a group I was working with that was trying to raise some equity, and they were a food manufacturer that had a number of retail sales locations. They were out looking for equity to both open one new location and pay off an amount of the debt that they had already. The thing was is when I went through the analysis with them, it was very clear that if they opened even more locations, they would make even more money than the interest on the debt they want, money they would raise on debt, and so there was no really good justification for them to pay off the debt. The second thing is that wasn't the only choice. They could have also upped online sales. They could have done all kinds of things associated with making more money, whether it's going into the grocery market or whatever else they could come up with. But all of these ways made them more money than the interest on the debt. So that's the point here is your job is to use the money in your business to make more money in your debt, based on having this debt. So what would you do in your business if you had extra capital? And if you've got a good business, then essentially you should be able to deploy that capital to make you more money. So this is Jim Sackman from Focal Point. Change your business, change your life, and have a great day.